decided on a road trip. Where are we going?
Tulsa.
Tulsa. Right now we are in Kentucky.
What's wild is this is the Cumberland River, which is the same river that's right next to Nashville.
Somebody would be really good at Jeopardy. And it's not me. It's not an ocean, Brody, it's a lake.
It's a river.
Oh, it's a river. So we decided to go the northern route, and we're stopping off at this national park called Land Between the Lakes, because they have a buffalo and elk drive-through area where you can drive through their prairie and see them from your car. So we're hoping we get to see some animals. Right, guys?
Yep. I see them. I see buffalo.
Buffalo. Daddy, say buffalo.
Buffalo. You like that car? That's a cool car.
Oh. They're gonna throw rolls at us? I don't know.
Ah, stole it.
Oh my goodness, it's so warm. Whoa, look at that. She put it down and said, small salad. It literally, they serve it in a giant frying pan. Okay, we are at the Wonders of Wildlife Aquarium. And I think it's all owned by Bass Pro Shop. Supposedly, this is their first ever store in the United States. Okay, let's go. Brody, it's a fish tornado. Wow, look at that whale. Wow.
There he is. What is your deal?
Okay, we're in Tulsa. Sawyer, do you see the house? Our house. So I had really great intentions of filming this whole week, but it was so gosh darn busy, I barely filmed any of it. Here's the good news. We sold pretty much all of the furniture, with the exception of a few desks, or a desk, a tiny dresser, and a vanity. I have a lot of art. I'm gonna start lowering prices. I sold a lot of the decor, slash took a lot of it for myself. Like this box right here. Bringing that home. Sold everything in the kitchen. Sold my bookshelves. Ta-ta, bookshelves, love you. Really what's left is Christmas in the basement. So if you live in Tulsa, you're gonna know that you got a great deal on these items, because I'm about to slash these prices to like $1 a vase, or $1 a candle, or $1 for 10 ornaments. Because I gotta get this stuff out of here. going into the house to say goodbye
Yeah.
for the last time?
Yeah. Bye, house. Bye,
house.
basement. Bye, basement.
We love you, house.
Bye, mommy.
This was a good house. You guys came home to this house when you were itty bitty babies. Do you want to go see the basement one last time?
Yeah, and mommy, I love you.
I love you too. Guys, where are ya? Say bye, bedroom. Aww. Brody, let's go say bye to your bedroom. Brody, go in your room.
Brody, say thanks for being in my bedroom.
Okay.
Bye, house.
Let's go down.
Okay. Ready, jump. Watch your chin. Okay. Daddy will climb up there with you, bro. You're gonna do it? Are you up for it? Yeah.
Always like that. Ow. Oh, Sawyer, you're doing so great. You're doing so good.
Swear. Put your butt on it.